Welcome! Making a PS5 account on your phone is simple. Let's begin this quick journey together. First, download the PlayStation app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll see a straightforward registration page. Fill in your details, email, password, and account name. Ensure your password is secure. Next, review the terms and conditions. Tap Accept to continue. Finally, verify your email. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link. Once your account is verified, log in with your new credentials. Now you're ready to explore games, connect with friends, and join the PlayStation community. Keep your account secure. Enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. Enjoy your gaming experience. You've just set up your PS5 account on the go. That's it. You've mastered account creation on your phone. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.